For years, I always thought that when we fly, we are all breathing in the same air with the chance of who knows what we can catch. And today, of course, that's of even greater concern. But this is what I've just learned. On this Emirates Boeing 777 and across their entire fleet, the air is constantly changed with fresh air from outside. For anyone who's actually interested, the air comes into the plane through the engines. This fresh air is mixed 50-50 with the air inside the plane and is pumped back at the right temperature into the cabin. The old air is released outside. Now this new air, which is changed every 2 to 3 minutes, flows from the ceiling to the floor like this, and not through the plane like a lot of people think. But this is the best bit. The air in the cabin goes through what they call HEPA filters, and these are about here. And these are able to catch 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, fungi, dust, and germs. So, when you get the filtered air mixed with the new air from outside, it's actually cleaner than the air in your office or even a hospital theater. Remember that time when you thought you caught a cold when you flew? Well, it's likely that you got it elsewhere. Like you, I want to see my family and I want to see the world again. So, fly Emirates, fly better.